Ano ang 5 signs na ready ka na mag-early retirement below 60 years old? Answer, based on my personal opinion and experience, sir and ma'am, may 5 signs na ready ka na for early retirement below 60 years old. Number 1, wala ka ng anak na pinaaral. Yes, friends, ibig sabihin wala ka ng college students at wala ka ng pinapaaral. So, wala ka ng expenses. So, all of your children are graduates at may trabaho na. Alright? Number 2, may small business ka na or passive income. Ibig sabihin, friends, meron ka ng income from business. So, passive income yan, kahit hindi ka magtrabaho, kahit magbakasyon ka, may papasok na income monthly sa iyo. Example, meron kang rental income. Maganda yan, no? Meron kang boarding house, meron kang space for rent, meron kang business na existing na. At hindi pa nag-start, no? Ibig sabihin, 2 years or more na business at stable na yung income, yan yung side po na pwede ka na mag-early retirement. Number 3, wala ka ng housing loan o malaking loan na binabayaran. Yes, friends, importante yan. Wala ka ng loan na malaki, no? Like housing loan sa pag-ibig or car loan. Kung meron man, example, car loan, see to it na meron kang pambayad from your passive income. Pwede yan. Pero mas maganda kung zero loan ka talaga. Right? So number 4, may reserve funds ka or ipon. Importante yan, friends. Meron kang reserve funds na 6 months sa monthly expenses mo. In case na wala ka pang income or losing yung business mo or break even, meron kang makuha na funds from your reserve funds or ipon. Ayan. And number 5, payag si Mrs. o Mr. sa plano mong early retirement. Importante yan, friends. Kailangan yung decision mo for early retirement, pag-usapan nyo muna yan sa asawa mo. Kailangan merong approval sa kanya para may coordination. At yung decision mo, kayong dalawa. Right? So, importante yan, no? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. So kung meron kang 5 signs na ganito, certainly ready ka na for early retirement. Huwag ka na maghintay sa 60 years old or 65 years old. Retire ka na, friends. For health reasons also, at ma-enjoy mo yung benefits ng retirement. So meron ka ng freedom, no? Meron ka ng time to exercise, time for your family, time to do your passion. For example, ako po, friends, personally, I will retire at age 54. 2 months from now, effectivity date na ng early retirement ko. Ready na po ako, friends, kasi meron na akong 5 signs na kagaya nito. Alright? Good luck to me and good luck to you kung ready ka na din. God bless us all. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.